Hey, welcome back to another detailing video. I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, and in today's video we're going to be doing a mini detail on a Silverado, and we're going to be doing an outside express wash on a Volkswagen sedan.
Hey, so you were only supposed to do the truck.
Yeah.
And then he got you one of his co-worker's car?
Yeah.
Does that happen a lot?
Sometimes.
Hey, but the co-worker, we're only doing the outside.
Yeah.
So it should go pretty quickly?
Hopefully, yeah.
How long do you want to take on these?
I want to be here for like no more than 3.5 hours.
Dang, 3.5 hours? It's 11 o'clock. Which one are you gonna start out with?
The truck first. Get that one done first, inside and out.
All right, Tony, do your thing.
All right.
Hey, Tony, this truck, man, it's looking a little, a little dusty over here. Now, he got the mini detail?
Uh-huh.
Why not the full detail?
Why not?
Yeah. Like,
he's probably gonna get it dirty again. It's not worth it for him. It's like his work rig.
No, got it. So he just wants like
a nice cleanup, wipe everything down, make it look a bit better.
Hey Tony, I see you have a little caddy over here.
Yep.
You think you can walk me through what you carry?
Yeah.
And what's in the yellow box? What's in the box, Tony?
We got towels inside in the yellow box. We're running out right now, but we got towels in there.
Well, are those new or used?
Used. We got new towels in the bag inside the van. These are more for like inside wheels, stuff like that. And then we have our foam can in here. We got extra tips. And then this is spot-free water.
What do you use the spot-free water for?
We can use that for a lot of things. Sometimes I use it for cleaning the windows. Even though we have glass cleaner right here, I only use glass cleaner when the windows are like really filthy and have like a film on it or something of dirtiness. But this works for like all like the maintenance clients' windows, and then we can also use this for any fingertips, like as a detail spray. It works fine too. Wiping down the wheels, things like that, wiping down the inside. We have interior cleaner.
Wait, I don't see no labels on the bottles. How do you know? Oh, it's on top.
Yeah, for some of them it has it on top, but I can usually just look at it and then I'll know. This is throttle detail spray for like ceramic coated vehicles.
Okay.
And then this is like a spray wax, like bead maker.
Okay.
And then this is tire dressing.
Okay, now I see how you can tell. There's a different color to it.
Yeah, there's different colors to them, and some of them have labels. Like this is an iron mover.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Tony,
What's up?
one thing I'm curious about is this is a mini detail. What's the difference between this mini detail and a full detail?
A lot. In a full detail, it'd probably take me, like I try aiming for it's almost a full day job depending on the vehicle, how bad it is. And it's a lot more money, but also it has to do a lot more with like, so in our full detail, you can add on like the polish, but it technically doesn't include a polishing, but it would include a clay treatment and an iron removal. So if we did one on this car has a bunch of like little defects and stuff and a bunch of iron on it and tree sap and things like that we can remove with our full detail on the outside, plus it'd be protected with the sealant. So the paint would be protected for a lot longer, because on our mini detail it's just a spray wax, so it's just a few weeks of protection, if that. And then for the inside, it's like we try to make it look as new as possible with the full detail.
The full detail, you pull out the extractor,
extractor
and all that
and
good
the steam
stuff.
cleaner, yeah.
What's the price difference?
So this for trucks ranges like 100 to 120 for mini details, and then if it was a full detail, it'd be like around 600 bucks.
Damn.
Starting basically 600 bucks for a full detail on a truck.
Hey, how does customer find you?
I actually There's that WRX over there in the back. I used to do him every like month, and from there, like they're co-workers, so he got me from them for him. And then that guy with the WRX, he got me on Instagram from a friend. So it kind of just word of mouth, basically, and social media.
All right, Tony, what time is it, man?
Like almost 12:30.
12:30. How you doing?
Pretty good. Almost done.
Yeah?
Yeah, last
well,
week,
almost done with this one, right?
Yeah, and then we still had to do the other one, outside only.
All right, Tony, so you're 19. You do what, 1 to 5 cars a day? You try working every day?
Yep.
Why are you working so hard? Especially on Sundays, man, the Lord's day.
I just have to. I gotta keep trying to grow the business, and it's
Hey.
fun.
Hey, how many kids you got out there, bro?
How many what?
How many kids you got out there?
0.
You working like you got 5 kids to feed. How come you work so hard, man? Like, I know you're trying to grow the business, but why? You don't gotta be working this hard, this young.
At the moment, if I don't work, no money comes in, and the bills are always coming in. So
Yeah.
I gotta find some ways to. I gotta hire employees basically, so I don't have to work as hard or as much. But I get bored if I'm not working, I get bored easily.
Yeah.
It's after a while I get bored of watching TV or playing video games or any of that stuff. So work.
Tony, what else you got left?
Just dressing the rest of the tire right now. That's about it.
And then we're done.
Yeah, we're done. Headed out to the next location in a little bit.
So for this one, we just did the outside?
Yeah, outside only.
Why? Why not the inside?
We didn't have enough time.
But do you think he wanted the inside?
Probably, I don't know. The coworker bought it, paid for him, so I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah,
So the coworker was like, hey, this guy, hella dirty, hook him up.
yeah.
All right. Hey, that's
Yeah.
a cool coworker right there.
Yeah.
And then I actually saw a couple people pass by asking for a detail.
Yep.
We got a busy day today though.
Yeah.
Does that happen a lot where people want a detail, they want to be squeezed in, but you just can't fit them in?
Yeah, for the most part, I don't do same day appointments, so I let them know we got a schedule for some other time.
Okay.
Just so it doesn't interrupt the schedule for the most part.
How far ahead are you booked?
Right now, not that far.
Like let's say when a coworker says, hey, fit me in as soon as possible, what would you tell them?
Like right now, it's Friday. It'd probably be like next week, Tuesday or Monday.
Really?
Yeah, depending on the type of job and what vehicle they have.
So if they if they have a hot date this weekend, you can't hook them up, Tony?
Probably not. It depends. It really depends.
Yeah. Hey, have you ever had somebody be like, Tony, please, Tony, I'll give you my left kidney if you fit me in?
Yeah. It just depends on the client too. Like if they've been a long time client and stuff, then yeah, I'll go hook them up. But it's like someone I've never done their car for, and I don't know what the car's gonna look like or anything. It just depends. I'll have to really think about it.
All right, Tony. So we're done today.
Yes, sir.
How'd it go, man? How do you think it went?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
All right. So the customer, hey, did he pay you before you were done, or he paid you after you were done with the truck?
He paid me after I was done with his truck because he had to leave. So I finished his truck, dropped it off, he paid me, and then I finished off his coworker's car.
All right, man. How much you charge him for the truck and this?
150.
How much was the truck?
100.
And then they want
50 for this one.
All right, and you said this customer, he's always tipping you?
Yeah.
How much he tip you?
$60 today.
Dang.
Pretty solid.
So $210?
Yep.
Not a bad day, not a bad day.
Yep. Well, there you guys have it. If you guys like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.